Welcome back to Lolly Polly Kids.
Come on, kids, let's have some fun. Dancing with animals, everyone. Wiggle like a worm, twist and turn. Let's get moving, it's our turn. Dance like a lion, roll like jump like kangaroo, hop so high. Fly like a bird up in the sky. It's an animal dance party. Oh my me. Stomp like an elephant, big and bold. Swish like a fish swimming in the cold. Hop like a bunny, quick and small. Let's do the animal dance, give it your all. Hey, dance like a lion, roll like jump like kangaroo, hop so high. Fly like a bird up in the sky. It's an animal dance party. Oh my me. From the jungle to the sea, every animal's dancing with me. Shake your tail, make some noise. Let's groove and have a blast, girls and boys. Dance like a lion, roll like jump like kangaroo, hop so high. Fly like a bird up in the sky. It's an animal dance party. Oh my me. Go hop and drop, let's do it again. Animal dance party with all my friends. Thanks for joining, it's been a blast. Keep on dancing, have fun at last.
Like, share, and subscribe.